Hello, and thank you for joining me. Today, I want to briefly explore one of the most important theological questions in Christian history, posed by Saint Anselm in the 11th century. Cur Deus Homo, why did God become man? Anselm offers a profound answer rooted in justice, mercy, and the necessity of the Incarnation. Anselm taught that when humanity sinned, we dishonored God and created an infinite debt. But here's the problem. Humanity, being finite, could not repay what was owed to the infinite God. Only one who was both fully human and fully divine, a God-man, could make satisfaction. This wasn't about appeasing wrath. It was about restoring the divine order that sin had disrupted. For Anselm, Jesus freely offered himself in perfect obedience and love, not under coercion or as a victim of anger. The cross is where divine justice meets divine mercy. Jesus makes satisfaction for sin not to appease a wrathful God, but to restore what was lost. Through this act, we are invited back into communion with God, redeemed, not condemned. While Anselm saw the Incarnation as necessary because of sin, later Franciscan theologians like Duns Scotus offered a different view, that Christ would have come even without sin, simply out of love. Both views highlight the beauty of salvation, but Anselm's focus on satisfaction remains central to Catholic theology today. Anselm said, "The debt was great, but love was greater." Thank you for your time and your attention. Anselm's theology reminds us that the cross is not about violence or wrath. It's about love that pays what we cannot, and justice that restores relationships. May it inspire us to live with both humility and hope.